Forget everything you thought you knew about military drones. China's new CH-9, also known as Rainbow-9, isn't just another UV, it's a flying AI-powered strike platform that can stay airborne for 40 hours, travel over 11,000 kilometers, and make critical decisions faster than most humans. Unveiled at Airshow China, this stealth-integrated, long-endurance drone is raising eyebrows across the defense world. In this video, we're diving into what makes the CH-9 so groundbreaking, how it blends AI and firepower, and why its emergence is shaking up the global drone race like never before. The CH-9 doesn't just push boundaries, it annihilates them. With a maximum range of 11,500 kilometers and a loitering time of up to 40 hours, the Rainbow-9 drone redefines what we expect from a medium to high-altitude UAV. This range allows it to perform missions that stretch from China's borders to the Korean Peninsula, Taiwan, Kyushu in Japan, the west coast of the Philippines, and back to Hainan Island, all on a single flight. For context, even the US's Global Hawk, one of the most advanced UVs to date, barely edges this out, and at nearly 3 times the cost. What makes this possible is a combination of smart engineering and scale. The CH-9 boasts a wingspan of 24.8 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 5,000 kilograms, putting it in the heavyweight category of drones. That mass supports a 480 kilograms payload, which is substantial enough to carry both advanced sensor suites and a range of tactical munitions. Its operational altitude of 11,000 meters above most air defense systems makes it harder to detect or intercept, allowing it to carry out ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, or strike missions without constant risk. It cruises at 200 to 350 kilometers per hour with a top speed of 420 kilometers per hour, giving it the flexibility to either loiter slowly over a target or reposition quickly when needed. But what truly enhances its range and performance is its modular architecture. The CH-9 can be reconfigured on the fly, not just in software, but physically. Swapping between surveillance pods, electronic warfare payloads, or precision strike munitions happens faster and more efficiently than ever before. This modularity turns the CH-9 into a multi-role system, a surveillance drone today, a surgical strike tool tomorrow. Whether the objective is monitoring foreign naval activity or neutralizing fortified enemy positions, the Rainbow-9 is purpose-built to deliver with precision and endurance. And with ground control limited to just 5 operators, the CH-9 is built not just for reach, but also for real-world deployment. If the CH-9's physical capabilities weren't enough, what truly puts it in a class of its own is its brain, a full-spectrum AI system that gives it near-autonomous mission control. According to a recent CCTV broadcast, the CH-9 has slashed decision-making times in combat scenarios. Its AI can now execute a detect, locate, decide strike chain in as little as 97 seconds, compared to the typical 20 minutes needed in traditional systems. That speed isn't just impressive, it's game-changing. Behind this acceleration is an integrated AI smart brain that handles more than just flight automation. It's capable of real-time target recognition, threat prioritization, route recalculation, and tactical adaptation, all without waiting for ground instructions. Only 5 personnel are needed on the ground to manage an entire CH-9 operation, 2 for flight management, 3 for mission payloads. Even then, their role is largely supervisory. The CH-9's autonomy begins from takeoff. Once airborne, the drone handles navigation, maneuvering, mission execution, and even landing, with minimal human interference. This level of independence reduces operational load, increases response speed, and lowers the likelihood of human error, a major vulnerability in high-pressure combat zones. What's even more revolutionary is how the CH-9 coordinates with other drones and even manned aircraft. Chinese defense expert Song Zhongping confirmed that Rainbow-9 can act as a command platform, orchestrating multiple UAVs in swarm-like formations. This means a single CH-9 can expand its operational coverage by multiplying its sensor and strike presence through network drone companions. This ability transforms CH-9 into a force multiplier, extending reconnaissance range, broadening strike capabilities, and even providing air dominance in contested environments, without risking human pilots. It operates as a true node in a larger, AI-driven battlefield network. When it comes to strike capability, the CH-9 is not a passive observer, it's a precision executioner. Armed with an arsenal of modular, guided weapons, it shifts from surveillance to lethal force with deadly accuracy. The three main munitions it can carry, FT-series bombs, CM-502 missiles, and LS-6 glide bombs, make it a surgical strike platform tailored for modern hybrid warfare. Let's start with the FT-series. These are precision-guided bombs designed to eliminate high-value or fortified ground targets with minimal collateral damage. Whether it's taking out a mobile radar station or neutralizing a bunker complex, FT bombs allow the CH-9 to hit hard and hit smart, exactly what today's asymmetric battlefields demand. Then there's the CM-502 missile, a compact yet potent weapon designed for tactical ground engagements. Its small size complements the CH-9's payload efficiency, enabling it to launch multiple strikes in one mission. The CM-502 is ideal for targeting enemy armor, troop convoys, or fixed infrastructure, offering rapid engagement and high precision, even in cluttered terrain. The third piece of this arsenal is the LS-6 guided bomb. Known for its long standoff range and sophisticated guidance system, the LS-6 gives the CH-9 the ability to engage from safe distances, avoiding anti-air systems and increasing mission survivability. Combined, these weapons make the CH-9 not just a drone with missiles, but a tactical airstrike platform. What truly sets the CH-9 apart is how seamlessly its AI system integrates these weapons into battlefield scenarios. Rather than simply receiving commands from human operators, the drone processes target data, calculates risk and proximity, and autonomously selects the most appropriate munition for the situation. It's a smart shooter, not just a flying weapons rack. Beyond standard munitions, the CH-9's hardpoints can also carry electronic warfare pods or even hypersonic payloads, turning it into a specialist for counter-air, anti-radar, or stealth missions. This gives military planners a flexible tool that can shift roles depending on the operation, without needing entirely separate platforms. Its weapons bay is modular, allowing countries to tailor payloads to their own mission needs, from border patrol to targeted strikes in anti-terror operations. This makes the CH-9 not just versatile for China, but an appealing export product as well. The CH-9 is more than just a new drone. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare. Combining ultra-long range, 40-hour endurance, advanced AI, and precision-guided weaponry, it represents a powerful shift in how nations project power from the skies. Its ability to operate independently, coordinate with stealth fighters, and adapt to various missions makes it a true force multiplier. And with China opening it up for export, the CH-9 isn't just shaping battlefields, it's reshaping global defense dynamics. This is the era of intelligent drones, and the CH-9 is leading the charge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.